thank you for watching this week's Meal Prep Monday. I will be showing you my favorite quick lunch, and it is actually a chicken salad. First, you're going to boil some chicken. Then you're going to boil some frozen vegetables until they're nice and soft. Then you're going to add some salt to your chicken. Once your chicken is done boiling, you're going to put it in a large bowl, and then you're going to shred it and mix it with your strained vegetables. Then you're going to pour your mayonnaise, and then you're also going to add a little bit of onion powder if you'd like. You don't have to. And I also like to add some black pepper just to give it a little bit more flavor. Then you're just going to mix everything together till the chicken is well coated with the mayonnaise, and then the vegetables are spread out evenly. And there you have it. It's all done. This is my favorite quick lunch because you can make a large amount of it and keep it stored in your fridge for lunch for the whole week. You can eat it on a tostada, you can put it in a sandwich. When I make it on a tostada or I eat it with tortilla chips, you can also put some tapatio on it.
Hi everyone, it's Meal Prep Monday, and I'm about to share with you one of my quick lunches. So my favorite quick lunch is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a fruit or vegetable on the side. I chose a fruit, banana. One of the reasons I like making peanut butter and jelly sandwich is because it's easy and quick to make, and plus peanut butter is a good source of protein, and you got your jam for your sweet tooth. And also you could take it anywhere and it doesn't have to be refrigerated.
Good morning everyone, it's Coach Steven, and for this week's Meal Prep Monday, I'll be making myself an antioxidant smoothie. It doesn't really need a lot of ingredients. All you really need is milk, strawberries, cherries, blueberries, raspberries, and pomegranates. This is a great way to get some calcium in your system to help out your bones, vitamin C to help out to continue helping out your heart health, and some fiber for helping the digestive system. So like I said, all we really need is the strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and pomegranates, which are in here, and some milk. It's not really hard to make. You just throw it in the blender and you're good to go. Alright, that's it for this week's Meal Prep Monday. I'll see you guys next week.
Hey guys, it's Coach Marisela here with this week's Meal Prep Monday. Today we are going to be making an easy lunch. It's a chicken salad out of a can, so it requires no cooking. This is the chicken that I used, and I have all of my ingredients set out here. So I have my chicken, I added the mayo in here already, and then I have onion, tomato, and cucumber. And then I also put cucumber on the side because I don't really like to have crackers with it, so I just put my salad on top of the cucumber. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna throw all of the ingredients in here. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just try to mix it all. Okay, so once you have it all mixed, you're just gonna wanna go ahead and put it on top of your crackers or your cucumber if you're gonna do it like this. And you can go ahead and enjoy your chicken salad.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. What you're going to need is bread, your choice of cheese, and butter or manteca. So for the sake of time, I've been preheating this for about 3 minutes at low. I have it at the temperature of number 3. And I have pre-buttered my bread already on one side. So you're going to want to put the buttered side on the pan. Let it sit for a bit. You're gonna grab cheese. Oh, by the way, the buttered side is face down. Put cheese. You can put another one so it can be extra cheesy. Okay, when that's on there, you're gonna want to put the other bread with the dry side. This is the butter side with the dry side facing down. Okay. Grab a spatula, press on it a bit. You wait a couple seconds, couple minutes. flip it. See how it's toasty? There you go. Alright, let's check the other side. Nope, it's done already. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little more. Make sure to clean up and don't leave a mess in your kitchen. Okay, we're gonna press on it. And we're gonna check again. There you go. That should be your finished product. Thank you.
Hey guys, Coach Jen here with your Meal Prep Monday tip. So for today, for my quick lunch tip, I'm going to be doing your typical American sandwich. So at least for the sandwich that I'm specifically going to do, it's pretty simple and easy. All you need is bread, ham, cheese, mayo, and mustard. So for everybody, they all like to do it a little bit differently. When you're doing your sandwich, you can use any type of bread. It can be wheat or any type of bread that you prefer for your sandwiches. Obviously, I think a lot of people add the mayo in case you really don't like it. And then for your meat, it doesn't necessarily have to be ham. You guys can pick anything from turkey to bologna, Black Forest ham, or anything like that. So it's really up to you guys. The same goes for the cheese. You guys can do Swiss, American. A lot of people I know always try to do a bit of add-ons to it too. Some people like to add like onions, tomato, or things like that. I'll do that sometimes, but today I just wanted to make something quick and easy that anybody can do with just simple ingredients that you have at home. So I finished putting the mayo on my bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my ham, add my cheese. So as a last ingredient, I also like adding a little bit of mustard, not too much, just a little bit. I know it may be a little bit weird. A lot of people don't like doing it, but I like to add just a little bit, not too much. So then I just put the other half, and there you go. So I hope you guys give it a try and let me know.